How to fix YouTube videos showing a white screen with audio on Android? This tutorial shows you how to get your videos displaying properly again. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for YouTube and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen YouTube and check if the white screen issue is fixed. From here, if the video is still showing a white screen, let me show you the next fix. Tap on Storage again. This time, tap on Clear Data to do a full reset of the app. Then reopen YouTube, log back in, and check again. From here, if the white screen's still there, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. At this stage, if switching connections didn't help, open the Play Store. Search for YouTube at the top. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen YouTube and check if the videos are displaying correctly. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open YouTube and check if the white screen issue has been resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the YouTube white screen issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.